Okay, we'll make a material master of a material, let's say hammer tools. Hammer. Hammer tools 30. Set of 30. Industrial sector. Industrial
यानी
sector.
30 बनाएंगे.
Mechanical engineering. Material type will be ROH raw. Okay. Select views. Views will be basic info, sales, no, not sales, or general plant data. Okay. Double A42.
ये प्लांट का नाम दिया है कि अपनी तरफ से या प्लांट का नाम होता है?
जी प्लांट असल में okay, we don't have sales org. Hammer tools 30 set. Hammer tools. Base unit of measure will be each. Material will be PK raw. Authorization group, we don't need this for users. Weight of unit will be in kgs. Basic data. Bulk liquid, highly viscous, no. Okay. Sales, general plant, gross weight, availability, check. Daily requirement, KP, no check. Batch management, no. Processing time, we don't need this. Negative stocks, profit center. Yes, we can give a profit center over here. Purchasing, material group, PK raw. Purchasing group. Source listing, yes. MRP, MRP type. MRP controller. Oh, we'll have to do it this again because some things are not configured. Raw material, ROH, raw, basic data. We don't need MRP because things are needed for configuration, work scheduling, general plant, data storage, warehouse, segment valuation. Okay. Okay. 8842 Karachi. Unit of measure will be each. Material group PK raw. Availability check KP, which is no check. Purchasing PK raw. Source listing. Now this is source listing is checked because we'll make a source list later. Negative stocks. No, negative stocks cannot happen in this because negative stocks is for like chemicals. PK raw valid from. No, we don't want this. Purchase value key, GR processing time. Plant data storage. Plant data storage. Negative stocks in plant profit center. We can give a profit center also. Warehouse management. Hazardous material number. No, it is not hazardous. Gross weight can be any unit of issue will be each. Stock placement, bulk storage. Message to inventory manager. Allow addition to stock. Okay. Two-step picking. Special movement. Stock removal. Okay. Unit of issue. Unit of issue will be kg. We'll change this later. Okay. 30 kg is a weight of one each. Continue. Accounting. Okay. Standard price is 300 per unit price. 300. Okay. Accounting to enter. Valuation class 3000. Now this valuation class is for integration with finance. We'll see that in configuration. With quantity structure, material origin. Now, material origin is for use for costing from where the cost is being incurred. But this is not costing, this is for purchasing only. Costing to valuation class, okay, 300 standard price. Valuation category. Project stock valuation class PKR 300. Save. Material tool has been created. So this is how you create a material. Okay. Now we'll start our configuration from SPRO. We'll create a plant, enterprise structure, definition, logistics, plant. Define plant, new entries. Let's take up a name. Let's say Motor plant Dubai. Save. AE is the country. AE is the country. Okay, we created as. Okay, fine. Fair enough. We'll create another plant. It was saved. This was the plant. Plant ZIL Industries AE. Okay. Now we have two plants, which is good. Define location. ZIL plant. I will select this, copy as plant motor, motor industries. Okay, plant motor. Okay, division, define division. Now in ZIL, let's say ZIL is um, oil producing company or lubricant producing company. So ZO, ZIL oil distribution. And we have another plant, M Moto. Okay, that is for, let's say, mobile manufacturing. So mobile manufacturing, mobile production, mobile production. Okay, save. Division, location, plant. We have created this. I'll go to material management, storage location, plant, ZIL. I have Dubai ZIL, Sharjah ZIL. Storage location, Moto. New entries, storage location, Sharjah. DXB Moto Dubai. Okay, save, save. Purchase organization, very important. This is the basic unit. ZIL, purchase organization, copy as um, MMB, Motor Purchase Org, or we can say MPO. Okay, Motor Purchase Org. We'll keep one only. Apply, save. Okay. This is for warehouse management. We'll see this later on when we start configuration of warehouse.